In this DIY, we will be showing you how to make this bauble picture frame. You will need a picture frame, Christmas ribbon, wire lights, baubles, gold bows, Christmas foliage and some string. Don't forget to check your wire lights before you begin. First, remove the back from the picture frame. Secure the battery pack to the back of the frame using a hot glue gun. Once in place, wrap your light around the frame. Cut your string to your desired length, attach to the baubles and then tie around the back of the frame. As an optional extra, we've added ribbon to the front of each bauble. For the final step, we've decorated the front of the frame with Christmas foliage and a ribbon. Thank you for watching. Make sure to share the joy by sending us your version.